Hello, and welcome to another update video on XRP. I'm here on the shorter time frame at the moment for XRP, and we can see that the market is currently holding our Fibonacci support zone that I communicated in the member update yesterday between $1.99 and $2.05. Yeah, the idea was when I made the video yesterday that we could get like one more high to complete this third wave. Well, that one more high actually formed. And we now have a complete looking 5-wave move up, not overall 5 waves, but 5 waves in the third wave. And this is what we wanted to see yesterday. And that 5th wave to complete the third wave happened. So I could already adjust support for the larger 4th wave. And then one more high would still be ideal to complete a, let's say, clean 5-wave structure from the Friday low to confirm a first upside reversal attempt. Because remember, the price has now been in a correction for quite some time. We're tracking the decline as a very complex WXY structure from the October high. And with a WXY structure, because it's such a complex corrective pattern, and it's not usually the most probable pathway, well, we need some additional evidence to really assume that a meaningful low has formed. It's very, very questionable at this point. I mean, the price has done over the weekend what it needed to do. Price bounced, not only bounced, but formed a larger 3-wave move up. You know, we saw that, again, that's why we do the work every single day. You know, Elliott Wave told us that a larger bounce is likely. Why was it more likely? Well, because this year was a micro 5-wave move up in what could represent wave 1. And then this year, the wave 2 pullback was kind of the idea, you know, it could happen afterwards, you know, wave 2. And then a third wave afterwards, happening right now, maybe topped already on Monday, today, overnight. And now this could be a 4th wave. Now, the support area we have here on the chart is between $1.99 and $2.05. This is a standard support zone for such a 4th wave pullback, especially in an impulse to the upside. So if we get an upside impulse, then normally the price in a wave 4 shouldn't break below the 50% retracement. Well, if it does, it's not an impulse anymore, in most cases. So this is now the zone that needs to be observed over the next, you could say, 24 hours over the coming sessions, And if we get one more high, then you see that this could then represent wave 1 of an even larger 5-wave sequence to the upside. Ultimately, that could take us into that larger resistance box above between $2.69 and $2.84. I spent many weeks explaining to you that this is the next larger and really meaningful resistance area. So without really a break above this resistance area, there isn't really a meaningful low confirmed. This is all very, very early days. So really those 5 waves, if we can get circle 1 completed, well, that is relevant in the very short term. For a more meaningful low confirmation, we need a 5-wave move up that breaks above that 284 level. So that will be interesting. I'll keep you updated about it. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well for additional updates, news, and much more. So you can check it out. Feel free to follow us here. I'll be there after this video as well. If you have any questions, just reply to one of our posts and I'm happy to answer. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.